the constraint layout, I want the now my this palette to be on the top and to be center. So that's why I'm considering it to top and the both right and left, so it can be in the center. Yes, sir. Lokesh sir, is it clear?
Okay, sir. And sir, what is the difference between we use layout width, layout height, मतलब match parent and wrap content?
Okay. Here see, here I'm doing the wrap content. If I change it to match parent, it will take the whole screen available. See here?
Okay,
It
okay, sir. Okay.
it is taking the whole screen available. But I don't want that. I want only take this much of size. So what I can do, I can make it a wrap content. So it will only take the height how much content is inside in it. If I have only one text view, it will take only that much space. I don't want it to be take whole screen. Yeah, but here you can see there is a first constraint view, and I want it to appear on the whole screen. That's why I'm adding the width match parent and the height match parent. Because this constraint view I want on the whole screen, and inside of that I want this card views and all the other things.
And
Yes, sir.
sir, we use here Android card view, uh, constant end to end of parent.
Yeah, right.
Yes,
Yeah, here
yes,
you can
sir.
see the constraint end to the end of parent. मतलब क्या होगा उसका, इसका जो constraint end है, ये कहाँ पर था? या ये कंस्टेंट है। अब इस एंड मतलब कहाँ, राइट साइड का कंस्टेंट, दिस इज द एंड एंड दिस इज द स्टार्ट. Okay, you can mention it also like left constant and right constant, but it is good to take the end and start as it. So this is the starting point and this is the ending point. Where I want it, I want the end constant to the end of the my parent view. So I am constraint the end to the end of the parent. If I here you can see, if I change it, don't have here anything. Let's see where I can show you. You can see having this card view inside this constraint layout, right? Here you can say I am constraining it with this constraint layout as the ID of CL. If I make the top view, let's say the start. Start means this side constraint view. I change it to the parent. Okay, it will now it is going behind my constraint layout and it is dealing with this constraint layout.
Okay, sir.
It is it is going and attaching to that.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
and if I do, let's say, to the end of parent, can see this constant where it is going to the end. Here you can see the line, right? The zigzag line.
Right, sir. Yes.
Yeah, this is going to the end. So that's how we specify it. So for this, I want it to be start and to the here. You can see now the line is on the start.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Any other doubt?
No, sir.
Ramya ma'am, any other doubts?
Sir, when I'm open my Android Studio, it will show some errors, sir. When I'm trying to open new project, like
Please
there is
share
no
it.
errors in a error panel, but it shows side, sir.
Yeah, please share your screen.
Yeah, sir. 2 minutes, sir. Sir, it is hanging actually. You can ask other doubts in a group in Meet, sir. I will
So,
present in 2 minutes.
how much RAM do your laptop have?
Sir,
Remember? Yeah. What is the RAM you have in your laptop? Hello. Hello, Ramya.
sir,
Yeah. How much GB RAM do you have in your
sir, I'm not getting.
RAM? I am asking about your laptop RAM. Yeah, ma'am.
Sir, I couldn't getting what you are saying.
Am I audible or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, ma'am. I'm asking how much RAM do your laptop have? Like 4 GB, 8 GB. How much it has?
It is 4 GB, sir.
And how old is your laptop?
Sir,
How old is your laptop? Like when you did you
it's.
purchase it?
I think it's 4 years, sir.
So that even that error occurs when your Android Studio is not getting loaded correctly. So it may happen with the 4 GB laptops. You have to just make sure your C drive is having the enough space and you keep the RAM fully for your Android Studio and don't open any other apps while you are dealing with the Android Studio
Okay, sir.
because it is the heavy software and it recommended RAM only is of 8 GB RAM. So while you are dealing with
Ma'am,
the 4 GB RAM, it
how
may
old
hang.
is your laptop?
Ma'am?
What's Arya?
Ma'am, your
Yes,
voice
ma'am.
is breaking, ma'am.
Ma'am, Rama ma'am, you did this task yesterday, layout task, right, ma'am? Is my screen
Yes,
visible?
ma'am. Yes, sir. Yes.
Is- Yeah. Here, here we added the button, and the next activity are showing the message, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So let me. Do you know how to change this message from your Java file?
Sir, actually, I used the intent there.
Yeah,
Where I
yeah.
placed
I'm
button, I
saying
used intent
what
there.
I'm saying is you only added a click listen to this one, right?
Yes, sir. Yes,
If
sir.
you add a click listener to this button, and do you know how to change this text as a welcome to hotel to Royal Orchard instead of welcome to the hotel of Taj Mahal Palace? Do
Yes,
you
sir.
know how to do that?
That is a doubt I got there.
Yeah, that's why I kept your project. Let me show you
So
how
I
you can do it.
okay, sir. I
Uh,
thought that another XML file and another Java file opened in it.
yeah, while checking your the layout activity, I thought you might need an explanation, so I kept your project here. So what you can do is you whenever you are doing an intent activity, there is another feature called as a put extra. How you can use it? This you have to call your intent name dot put extra. Here you can see the option put extra. Here it is asking me the two values. One is the string name and one is the value. It can be in any data type, boolean, characters, int, string, any type of value. So I want to give it a name as a text, and the next thing, the value. This is the button one, which means this is the button, and where you applied this button to the Hotel Royal Orchard, right? So I can pass here the value as a welcome to Hotel Royal Orchard, right? Yeah, I'm passing this message here. Okay, now what will happen with this intent while going from main activity to the main activity second dot class, it will pass a message here. This message, it will consist of this message, and when you come back here, you can see in your you have this text view with the id name of TV. I will just connect the board. Text view, text is equal to find your by id r dot dot pun, right? I got your text view. Now you can change this text view to whatever message you got from this intent. I am sending as a message as a welcome to Hotel Royal Orchid in the value name as a text. Okay. Now you can extract it here. How you can extract? Let's say you can have to specify the intent is equal to get intent. Okay. And you have to give name to any your intent. Now what I can do? I can do the set the text here. You can see here is the text view which I got from the XML file. I am setting the text here, and what I am going to set a text. I want this message from here, right? So you can do that. You can here I am having the intent name. I will take it and dot get string extra method. Okay, so it will provide you the string value passed from the intent, and you have to specify the name what you gave it. So you can say I'm sending this value inside of the name of text, and I'm taking it as a text, right? So now when I run your app, you can see it is setting the text same as I set here in the string value. If I add this to the second button also, let's say second button. So what is the name of hotel here? Hotel Taj Mahal Palace, right? Hotel. Right. I'm now setting it as a string value as a welcome to Hotel Taj Mahal Palace and run it. You can see. I click it. It is changing the text to Hotel Taj Mahal, right? Did you got it now?
Yes, sir.
Ramanan. So this is the method how we can pass something value from an intent, and you can take it in from here. Like you have to specify the intent and I dot get string extra. Any other doubts now? Any other doubts?
I think there is some issue, like network issue. Ma'am has left. Ramya ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm joined
No,
my
no.
PC. Ma'am. Previously, I'm using my mobile phone.
Okay, okay, no issue, no issue.
Yeah.
Sir,
Any other
can I
doubts,
share
Mr.
my
Ramya?
screen?
Yeah, ma'am. Sure.
Okay, sir. Sir, my screen visible, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, here is the errors I'm getting, sir. When I open new tasks in main activity.java, this type
Please
of
hide
errors.
that meeting sharing message. Please hide that meeting sharing message.
Sir, what, sir?
There, at the bottom, you are getting the stop sharing and hide option, na? So I hide it.
Yes.
Please.
Okay.
Open your Locket here at bottom.
Sir, where can I find it?
Here in bottom. In Android Studio bottom right. Right on the left side. Yeah. On your left side. Ma'am, to do terminal database inspector profiler Locket. Hello, ma'am. Hello. Am I audible?
Again, there is some network issue, I think.
Okay. Hello, Ramya ma'am.
Hello, Rama ma'am.
Yeah, she is fetching the network. Okay, sir. Do you have any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. Let me.
Should I message sir to Ramya ma'am or
No, ma'am. She message. She is trying to rejoin.
okay?